Deva Medical is an independent medical maintenance and service company. We've been running for coming up to 45 years now. The main thing we do is service and maintenance of blood product equipment in the NHS and private hospitals, as well as service and maintenance and 24-hour cover for patients who've got respiratory equipment within the homes. I think our biggest operational challenges before Klipboard was that we've had so much asset information, and we were using an Excel program beforehand, and being able to manage the assets, manage the locations, manage the contract information, and even just put the reports together was an absolute nightmare. So we just found that the more business we wanted to take on, the more work it was taking for us just to do the basics. We needed a company who would listen, who would grow with us and wouldn't just say, it is what it is. Klipboard were very much like, well, let's find a solution, come and sit with us, tell us what the issues are. They were willing to grow with us, they were willing to adapt.
We'd have jobs that were booked and ready to go. These would be then detailed for the engineer via an email, which either was printed out here, or for the remote engineers, they had to print it out. Since Klipboard, everything is now sent to them on the app every day. So once they sync either the previous night or first thing in the morning, they've got a clear idea of what their jobs are for the day, and if anything changes during the day, we will have real-time information for the guys to crack on with what they need to do. There's also a material cost that we're saving. We're not printing out everything's done electronically now. It's just a better way of doing the job. It's much easier, much quicker.
For me personally, it's having it as a one-stop shop. You've got all of the information on there, so you can link a quote and follow that all the way through to a purchase order. They can all marry together all the way to the end game, which is creating a job and completing the work in the field. Per job, with the limited number of updates that you now need to do being on the cloud system, you're saving a good 10 to 15 minutes, and with a minimum of 100 jobs that we're raising per day, you're saving absolutely hours, if not days.
Since we fully implemented Klipboard, we've seen a 25% increase in customer retention. So as of 2025, it's 97%, which is probably something we never really thought we'd have years ago. But I think the efficiency of the system has made it great for existing customers, but also a massive selling point when I'm going out and trying to get new business for the company.